Abu was never granted bail. Bail like the man no was high court. Yeah, the man no and no the court but district court no dey ya money bail. But ya money bail no na enchese ya wie case no. Krofo na chocho e wo Facebook no ni ade ya se Abu Trica ye niko. Enti ehọ na ne lawyer enso hu ye e wo ni phone. E na o ka che court ni se court the business of the day na dey ba be
yenye yempo
yenye yo na so se si ame no wo kasa mi hu o mi phone so se
me client ko
almost 10 na court na leti asem no dey ahyesenka obefre Abu Trica asem no yet court dem ho na ene hu say there were some flyers bin nam sa Abu Trica ye de na fi o man mu ha which means ye record dem na so no so gina airport ai
na just money ne ko
oh Abu de na make sure say onu ya no guso te flight nim na ye nde
I was saying about 7 months to 8 months ago, and I better just say Abrantia, your friend of Frederick Kumi, Yana Hotidin, and they Abu Trica, a police for answer Akusonimu. Now we must also know and our more address. Romance can be and a woman just with the opportunity to some bono, $8 million, and no, and a woman also at the question the Busia and semi Everton Mountains, then the year who Emma Ghana for Dudwana and the D and 7 Hong Kong celebrities are Ghana had the any of Dudwana. Eno do wo no atu mu kire se saa ensem ya wo mu didi Abu Trica yi de wo mu dwene ho a wo mu ente ase eno kwa nam so ma Ghana fu bi kire se Ghana bite na wo ye hwe ha ema Abu Trica kokopie mu abroche de ene aba e beto wo beto e de etia NDC fo fi se wo mu ente ase se abrofi ba bibrem ha ebebu ye nananom fa so ene ye gold ne ade wo mbese se ne nyina de ko esan be fa ye eye nkoa na se ene ye nya brante bi oro na adwene mu do na wa nkotwetuo wa nkwa nkwa gina obi consult ne dem te Ghana ha na watimi e de na adwene bi ti abrofo mo de siga asende ne dia eno no bone e wo mu pa ene ne wo hia nti Ghana ban pese wo de Abu Trica ekopiem na so busua yenkomra ne nyina ne se enra Abu Trica ekopiem e wa monone a na lawyer fo e kire se wo mu nim ekwan a wo fa so mu kopiem office na wo mu e fight case ne se enya ade so mbema Abu Trica akona so mani bom so no na Oliver Bakavoma wo ya wo no ena yelo ye ne wo twitwa de age Abu Trica e kire se wo de Abu Trica akwakwotena play mu ede ne kona busua eno ena amabrako ampofo ya wo no eye court attendant ede ma ABN network no ede mu enchemu abane ye court so e wo court dem hopoti enra ene sene Oliver Bakavoma wo e kan nsem no ede chair jaja sabre de Abu Trica akwakopie mu e wa abrocha sabre akase US4 no ena ebedi teme se Abu Trica nsem no mde abono no wodifo anase wodi mobem too much GHS ne busua e baka ko tese ne amabrako apofo e kan nsem ne nidiem be se so mi subscribe button no so dem ya no wakai so the bell no be kan won sa no upload it one first person ya won sa be di kan aka.
It's all over the news.
Okay.
Abu, you see finally ye de na ko US.
So ndu ya nakaka no.
Not just say ampa.
Ondu ya nakaka.
Just say any fake news.
Oh there be any fake.
Rare.
Ondu ya onam kwemu. Say be a minim say the Martin some the Delta ne ko say Delta dia e be on be transit akusi e be as New York and na mato aso akwa na so go straight dia baby on be fa be ade ti be obedu US.
Obedu. Okay, enti let's take you back. Yen come back, yen start from how did we get here? Okay. And then they see airport obi wo okra na making on shutdown follow ye.
Okay.
E bi kra no thank you Trozy. Say me dey gist ni nyina ebeba. Why me madam e dey me pacho boy entremu. Yen started from the top.
Okay.
Na fe yembra.
Me dan security Trozy Abu Trica semi started last year and san ye kwakodi bronya. Me fan say early part of October, November. Ena prekope that story anope say FBI for Erisha Branty bi ache no. And it make us say it was my first time etete you pictures be videos be Abranty bi ana na 9cc pool mu na sikagugu ne nchen ne hu ne cars and prekope afa na ni videos pie na ni videos pie na okay that's enu nim say assemble de tie bia nya record de na say we be ka say ra mabobo anu nti na say di akiri e wo ma na ye tie say ya chi Abranty bia ye friend Abu Trica na Abu Trica nkrofo kra nim say yo no ani di ankasa there be say na nye ni di ankasa na maame ne papa de to no ye Frederick Kumi. Okay. Abu Trica ne ye obeka se ni nickname na enyo no nko a elia ne yesi ye hwehwe wo no ene abrante baako a eka ne ho abrante later yeso wadwane ena oni Ghana abusuafo se om de ne beba ensem ni koye bebre. Fast forward ene ye de Abu Trica be piemu e Ogbese District Court na me as a court reporter I think say we one of the extradition cases are ache.
Okay, and just
extradition cases are medi achire enim ni nyina abro so aye si we de ache ewa 3 weeks.
Whoa. Abu de 6 months o.
They identify Ghana higher call ene ne de omu fi abroche kraba no.
Okay.
And I can give you nti yesusu say eno na nipa bi eye no oh ene through video call me ware o. Me project bi no support enti ekoye say aware asem enti ene me yare o mitiye me ya okay about you to not discover eno ye baako there was another charge of gold business bi yesusu say oni nkrofo bi nya nketahudie say oton gold. It was a transaction. The transaction went wrong enti utie charges ane ye de abon ne dia na ne lawyer Oliver Bakavoma wasema okanyina ne say then let's adduce evidence.
Okay.
Sankrofo na Moses say a gold business na kwakoye and a falling out. Sankrofo yesu say yes say onam kweti kwan so agi sika esum $8 million na.
Enye sika ketwa.
Then let's adduce evidence. Yemfa sankrofo yi omo Ghana they should sit on telephone. Yen cross examine omo evidence in chief. Na yen cross examine na yen hu say if what they are saying is true.
Nti ama me ntwa no.
Okay.
O ka ma yate ase a na Abu no ne charge no a romance scam.
Baako was romance scam.
Na just say dosun.
Esan say na enyo no nko a one other was conspiracy say yesusu so ni obi ene din say adwuma no.
Okay.
Obeka say ye che mona ye say eye cartel. And this kind of adwuma no enye nipa baako na eye. Rosie Becker say me dey minti me any abrofo ne nkasa nemom me di account e ma ho first can
film
obi nso wo bank wo say okay e bia me nso meboa se eba se de mo betimi atwe sika na fam wire fraud.
Wow.
Enti enye baako ni na most times we be abrofo ne ya ye say e cartel a group of people and a kamum and a yes adin and into ye chi nipa two later ye ja nipa two the other person are not kind of one na FBI for na kase yemfa sa wo nipa we en kind of no recently and a brand and so bag Ghana ye chi ne kan but and na me no kasa ne ye court ye ti ye ne se Abu Trica nkwa ne de ne koy. Now the question is the other party no ono okobi anase onkobi
ba ama ye che Abu beginning no ye che one na damfo bi
yeah enipa 2 ene ye che wo mka Abu hu sa enipa 2 ni nyina no in the course of the investigation and everything
okay
ye discharge wo
okay nti omo ye free
they have not been acquitted.
Very
rather
good.
they have been discharged which means you can be arrested anytime on that same issue. On that same charge, you can be arrested. You have not been acquitted, but rather discharged. At any point in time, you can be arrested.
Oh.
But there was a different persona or not there per court records FBI for information about yes here Abu Trica and you nipa so messy way. So they needed 2 people. And FBI for krata o de buy chere say mochi nipa mienu na bibi a omwo bi e o madwapade bia no
fa yen santo so ti abind in santo so
ye beka asem no ye wie no ye innocent why not ye de na de am
enti ama fast forward no ye granted a bill.
Abu was never granted bail. Bail like the man no was high court. Yeah, the man no and no the coffee but district court ne dey ya money bill. District court ya money bill. High court eno nya bill. Bill no nya crime fan say roughly fan say the bail 1 month and no the coffee.
And no the coffee. It's a bad thing.
Oh,
and all of a sudden
you see issue no nancrofo ntiase
chichi muna ntiase
bela eno nkyere se ye jai wo no
yeguso a
that is the issue aya na nipa bebre wo say oh ene ye dey asem ne kokot ne amani be no abetena fie ena ena one na mfie na ye mani bela nkonkwan efie no beba no matter the situation court pe ena wo ho kwan say obema obi bill say court yesi waku nipa na court nyansem court adwene mu court nsusuye mu e de mra toto ho no hu say me mani bill na ebeye ye na court mani bill a wo na otifie no wo ye hwana onye obi a unkura mra wonni mu mra asa ni obeka ni so obeye dede na oku me ba na obo me ba na ya mani bill. It doesn't say anything. It doesn't make anything. Court ne mani bill. But your mani bill no na enchese ye wie case no na enchese case no eno ano no your mani bill no court time bia
no court ye na ye videos ne pictures
ye beka so nko no court asam no na ewo district court extradition ye district court pe ene wo to me eso ye extradition. The circuit court any to me. The high court any to me. The court of appeal any to me. Supreme court kakra
only to me.
It is just the district court. Ono na ya shana tadie ya mani to me say on your extradition. So Obekai say at a point maybe a report of ya say Abu Trica lawyer say the district court doesn't have jurisdiction to sit on this case and blah blah blah. Court say no. Me pe any amami to me.
Na meeting.
And no share your mra ni so no pension na court amani to me. I say on final extradition. Enti obe ope bill na we nya dia na so for district court no. Obe for district court no on from ko circuit court na emu for ko high court.
Okay.
Eno ko high court.
Eno konya ni bill.
Eno konya bill. But konya bill no na still from CID headquarters to police station bia omunim to Yoko office to BNI just say omu hu bebia omu client wo. And it's no more file their friend stay of execution say some more person de ne kokra ye court no ntimo ntwentwen so kosi say anka court ni betie omasem awie na ne ho na ye enti na ye akono na this another applications na ye kwakotie ye ra court dem wa ene ehun say information ne fly because as at 9:30 almost 10 na court na late asem no de ahyesenka obefre Abu Trica asem no yete court dem ho na and who said there were some flyers being them Abu Trica ye the nephew of my muha, which means a record them names on to the airport. Hey, aye.
Not just some money they call.
Oh, Abu Diana made sure says, oh, no, ya no go to flight in him. Yeah, and there.
Mama, relax. Not just a momo courtroom, no.
Some and say, and I make a choice say the lawyers were not even aware. So we all saw the flyers and nam crofo na chocho Facebook no ni ade yesi Abu Trica ye niko enti ehon na ne lawyer enso hu ye wo ni phone and no ka che court ne say court the business of the day na de ba be
ye mpo
ye yo na so say see am no wo kasa me hu o me phone so say
me client e ko
ya de na ko
it is all over
gina airport enfoni obi asend ama me nie caption obi atworo nie enti say de me ba be ye no just any me withdraw my application because and to kwana me be kono
ya de nipa ne kwa ko
nipa ne ne kwa de dentine say
but is it done like that?
If it's not done it has been done
and maybe asida
say
asem na ye ba be ka no ye nyanka
you see mamenka say Oliver Bakavomawo has really impressed me as a lawyer.
Okay. Abu lawyer.
Seriously, Abu lawyer. What say he's a lawyer. Whoa. And he's a human rights lawyer. Seriously. From the start of this case, people never understood him. People never understood him. He's one person I really admire as a lawyer. Ojina ne nansu so kasa wo court dema. He speak with passion and he knows what he's about.
Okay.
Matsina ni cases mu and seriously meka say with Abu Trica case ya oyeye. Ama mi hu say he's a lawyer.
Nti yanko back. Nti lawyer no.
Nti lawyer ni cheche ni nsemu wo court. No ka che court ni say business of the day de buy me no ka say me hu say e de me client ni so ko nti na say ne aye ne de ene otemafo mesre o say she attorney general normal court mechre nientia niasi
okay
and a court say I had the papers na ya adwuma o ya den krata na o kan do wano na eka because court you don't make oral applications like this we a serious issue serious business what they
everything has to be on paper.
Yes. Should go paper so o license number was here what sign your signature no what stamp na they better court so that obi kofa no si or kwa appealer you can read and know say when and lawyer be file here the court can ye nie emra no site we and no kambo mu and no gina so the man ruling no yen fire no ko gina court nka say they make say ya ka say we are where we na temafo ni so kan dia we are no we so kan na court say chirogun grata so na fabra what the ban so definitely so serve attorney general will reply accordingly one replier court edit ni ruling beba whatever ti me no ka say there court dem ho no e na ye kra ye hu say
ye de abuko kra sana lawyer ne kra ba be kan asem
na say lawyer ne kra no he has no idea because for the past ye man no bill no ko fie ba ko mienu ba court obi ehun say abu aba court ne abu aba court china abu aba court ne no oba court the last time I che no hon enu anu ehun ni client ni bi ene na ye de no ekoyi enti until say and they attorney general e de anu yie beba ne de just obi ka say de wo hwa ko si say o de anu yie beba then he will explain things to us and as well the lawyer
nti ye ka esisu bioma na abu na ne charge no a romance scam
dear FBI for the buyer
a romance scam boga
about
maybe
90 bisa say interview now yeah after time a granting bill no who ni say boa no na moa no
o feel say a factor because oko social media dodo na e tro mo adwen say interview na oyeye no amboa ibi nso say aboa
obia ne sedie obehu no but me
baby a wo gina no
eso aka say eye me a ka me advice me say ma onye sa interview
ka be kama na
me advice no because you see no matter what you did you were still an accused person standing trial enye ne wo be ka kire Ghana for no e na Ghana for na ye judges no Ghana for ye nye judges judge ni obi a ya hye na taade ni ama ni saa tumi opeda na ba no de bo wo se konwa and judge no when tie saa interview no enti ne wo kan ye no se wo fi mu na wo kan wo no kura mpo a judge na nti and so tie wo Ghana ha ne ye do ko USC ano no tie ya na wenti that is it and one hwe ya obefo say you see asamba na journalist interviewer or try to tease everything from you now also when ya kokudro na wo kan no kure ofo say do kure na make to on wo kan wi a ya so ne besan gina no a so ne wo kan na so enti medie but me gidi say o ka kire ne lawyer e ma ne lawyer advice me gidi say such an interview o ntimi fa ne pe nkoye o ka kire ne lawyer e na ne lawyer ka kire ne say I think say it's good so go and do it but media me amabra dia kameka chense monye because as an accused person no matter what you see still ye wie na so wonchechire mu bia na wo son a eno de no abeka bibia but as at time no de na me hu ni say it was a wrong timing
nti udi si amaye no na che say nia wo kan nyina ne say news a air fly se ne air trending nyina no eye no kwatro do Abu
yes
has been extradited
yes
to the US.
Yes.
Opa che se undu ye kradia ebe ya owanwa.
Oh so mutu anopa. Nti
abusuawe ana sabredi ne kopie mu ewo ha mabra ko dem so na Ghana for chese sabu Trica ewo bi o de subobo no dia ene wo pambo ne lawyer fi say lawyer ni mu a wo me client gina court amudi asem na asem ye ni wiye Emma who say what the bim and I say what the for. Now it's me jaw clients in the man na TV so call interview there. And no can who be and ama and Abu Trica and someone I could be a Edwin and Ghana for so say and someone one more eka say yama pine ama brofuno it's and for found the through and Ghana if you say share wo foriata se ne wo kopie mu e wo America besin ne yentimi fo foriata me pie mu o Ghana ha e ma nsem a ye de bono no wo ma meyi ne ho na so Abutrika de ba ya peprem ya ma no so e na hye play mu de ne ko na Ghana fo e kire se kano foriata na nsem no e ba ne eji e ye na adwene se wo de ne ba Ghana ha wo foriata e fa lawyer ama lawyer fo no ene eji ne twetwe gina mu America ho ma sa brede kano foriata lawyer fo no etimi di asem no mu enkunim eti se owura kano foriata ama me pie mu e wo Ghana ha eno enkyere se e America fo na afa na ama ne mo e ya lawyer fo a wo fa wo mu ena wo mutimi di na asem no yie e de ma no e ma wo di enkunim eti se nka Abutrika so na lawyer fa no timi di asem no yie e ma wo timi di mu nkunim a ebia na ka yamfa no anko na so busia se ne tibia sabrede Abutrika e de na kwa kopie mu e wo America sabre e di na America fo so se wo mde asem no be kokose kwa kuduna se wie na ensem a wo mo e kan de fa branch ne ho se romance scam ne ade ne kubo ne dia ena na emra wo kwa na so twe se fata no na wo mo e de amana na so Captain Smart ya Abutrika kopie mu e wo ne show so Ghana fo e kire se eno ka ho bi pa na ne ama ene Abutrika akwa mu awa no ba bonta be kire se kwa wo mo de ne ko ma Abutrika ka e nsu se ebe kwa wie eche no na US fo no kwa se etwo mo ho a compensate Abutrika hu se ensem no wo mo ne no e ni yi ansem no de to no so ni na ayade se no krabia nim tebusua anoma bi ni so se ye hwe bia nsem yi ebekọ akwaku se ne bepima babia no so ye mama so ewu wo hu beba ne asan e de ababa so mo message so buja comment our comment section ho e de mami all the social media handles no too much gh o subscribe like ya share na fofo so de bia hwe